Hey everybody, today I just wanted to do a quick video on a simple thing you can do to help secure your LabVIEW development environment. So specifically, if you go to Tools and go down to Options, you will get this window. We're going to want to go down to, you'd think security, we're going to go to VI Server. And this is going to pop up. So VI Server, if you're not aware what VI Server is, this is basically a way that you can control LabVIEW. So you can access different components of different, of all sorts, basically anything LabVIEW related, right? It could be controls, could be different VIs, projects, classes, etc. Through VI Server, though, you can specifically remotely execute code, all sorts of stuff. So it's a useful tool, but by default, it's allowing, as you can see, there's a TCP/IP port, meaning that it's allowing basically remote access to all of those things. So there are times where you might actually need to use VI Server remotely, right? And it makes sense that the tool's there. It's great that I put in the effort to get that set up. But if you don't actually need that feature specifically, it's just opening up your computer to being attacked, basically, right? So, if there's some computer that's unlocked that, I can connect to on, let's say this port, well, I can go execute different VIs. I could be, executing malicious code on their remote machine. So if you don't need it, I recommend that you disable it. So same goes for ActiveX, which essentially allows same stuff, allows remote execution of different things. So if you do not need these features, I recommend that you disable them. If you go down a little further, you also can restrict what things can be done through VI Server. So, calls to VIs properties and methods, application property and methods. So you can, so if you do need these things to be enabled, you can actually go through and decide what things you want to allow, right? So that way someone can't do anything and everything. You can specifically allow just certain things that you need. Another important thing, if you need those features, and now if you are disabling everything, this doesn't matter. But they do also have this machine access list, so you can specifically add IP addresses or names of machines that you want to have access, which is a really good practice, rather than just letting anyone and everything connect, which you can do, right? If you just go, wildcard that, lets anyone, right? So, whoops. Accidentally closed out of that, sorry. If there is a certain machine that you need to add, then add that machine specifically so that machine has access. And the same thing goes for exported VIs. You can add access to specific machines. As you can see, by default, it's wildcarded, meaning anyone can do that. And you also can add access for specific users and groups and whatnot. So you can connect on your domain to either certain user groups or to certain users. I never use this feature, so this is a simple thing. It's there because it's useful and people have needed it. But if you don't need it, it can definitely be a very simple security enhancement just to disable these things, right? And at a bare minimum, configure what properties you actually need and what machines specifically need access, and configure that. That way not anyone can. But doing that automatically enhances the security of the development environment by a significant margin. It's a very simple thing to do, greatly protect your system, your organization, and everything. So hopefully that's helpful. Thanks for watching.
Canon Controls is your gateway to mastering LabVIEW. Dive into programming for data acquisition, industrial communications, and manufacturing automation. Explore how to enhance your projects with cybersecurity best practices. Join the journey to elevate your skills and secure your systems with every episode.